This is a president that supposedly has such fantastic influence on the domestic front that he can, marshal not only the Republicans but most of the Democrats, especially the ones that are, paid for by the Israeli lobby. That he can get pretty much everyone on board with things to do with war. That sort of illusion cracked recently with the passage of the War Powers Resolution in the House and previously in the Senate as well. But it could still happen. But what does that tell you? It tells you he's very weak, actually, as a president, because he cannot challenge the Lindsey Grahams of the world, the Tom Cottons of the world, and all of these other hawks in Washington about unfreezing Iranian assets or lifting sanctions. I mean, it's like all hell breaks loose as soon as you even mention that. So that's a non-starter. That pretty much deep sixes any chance of any quote deal. Again, the ephemeral deal that Trump likes to talk about, which isn't going to happen anyway. But it's kind of impossible. He could do it if he had the cojones to stand up to these hapless Israeli-funded war hawks. But he doesn't, and the lobby as well, the press. So he's very easily intimidated domestically. He puts on a big front like he's tough and he's got power, but he doesn't have any power. If he had real executive power, he would confront all these hawks and say, "We're going to unfreeze assets. We're going to talk to the Iranians. We're going to actually give concessions because this needs to happen." But this is not a president that has that sort of courage. He is folded like a cheap deck chair time and time again with just a little pressure from the likes of Lindsey Graham. So I don't see anything happening there as well. He's just waffling around pretending that somehow he's marshaling this process. He is not marshaling anything. Tel Aviv is marshaling and setting the pace on pretty much every front.